Hello everyone. In my previous video, I showed you how to perform a basic Vlookup. However, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips and tricks that can be helpful when doing the Vlookup. 1. You need to lock the table range. I'm trying to look up the price from the other tab. Always remember you need to lock the table or the table range or the cell range. In this case it's A2 3B7. If you don't lock the table range, the Vlookup is not gonna work. Let's copy the formula. However, if you're getting the data from different spreadsheets or different worksheets, the table will be locked automatically. Let me share with you another quick example. Trying to get the price from different worksheets. As you see right here, the table is locked. I didn't need to lock the table manually. The table got locked automatically. That's the first tip. The second tip has to do with formatting. When you do a Vlookup, you need to make sure that the column you're using to do the Vlookup has the same formatting in both data sets. In this example, I'm gonna use the product code. To look up the price from the other tab. I was able to do the Vlookup because the data in this column is formatting as a number. The codes in this column are formatting as a number as well. However, if I convert these codes to text, the formula is not gonna work because the codes in this column are formatted as number, whereas the codes in this column are formatted as the text. So you can either convert these codes to text, and this is gonna work, or you can convert everything to numbers, and that's gonna solve the problem too. It's all good now. That's it for the second tip. The third tip has to do with unwanted spaces or characters after a letter or after the code in this example. So if I'm trying to do the Vlookup on this code, it's not gonna work. If you look at this code, for example, using your mouse, you can tell there are no unwanted spaces or weird characters. However, this is not the case here. This is telling you that there is a space, unwanted space. So if you wanna do the Vlookup, if you wanna look up this data successfully, you need to make sure that the spaces are removed. Just gonna remove the spaces manually. Convert to number, and that fixed the problem. That's it. So 1, make sure the table range is locked. 2, make sure that the column you're using to do the Vlookup has the same formatting in the other tab or the other spreadsheet. 3, make sure that unwanted spaces or characters are all removed. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.